सॉरी याद है।
मैं भी आएगा, मैं भिखारी जैसा घूम रहा। अरे थोड़ा लॉन्ग शॉट गोल गोल बैठ जाओ, दूर वाले पास आओ, पास वाले बैठ जाओ। नाटक देखो, 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 नाटक देखो। सुप्रभात। आज हम KB2 के छात्र आप सभी का
Greetings from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Moscow, Goa. And this year also we are conducting the AIDS awareness programs, okay, and as part of World AIDS Day. And today on this 1st December we have conducted a lot of activities such as rally, Nukkad Natak, poster making competition, slogan competition. All these are to create an awareness regarding HIV AIDS. Mainly the prevention is better than cure. That is our main concern. And we all know that this year the theme is overcoming disruption and transforming the AIDS response. As part of this, we have to reduce the social stigma as well as increase the health concerns and the health facilities towards the AIDS patients. So we are giving proper awareness to the students as well as all stakeholders for the proper care and proper behavior towards the AIDS patient and even how to overcome such kind of syndrome. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.